In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $175,210 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on YouTube, okay? Without investing any money in paid ads. I will share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting on YouTube if you want to earn some commission. For people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will show you guys step by step how we can create an affiliate account like this one and how we can join Fiverr affiliate program step by step, easy and simple. And as you can see in my balance over here, I have $7,510 in commission available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. I will still get more commission. It can be up to 10k this month. So anyways, so for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with Fiverr affiliates, so you just need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr, okay? So you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down, okay? Just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates, okay? And you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website as you can see. So what you will do next, you will click on join now, okay? And you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private, okay? Make it private. Scroll down. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. And if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates, okay? It's really easy and simple. So what you will do next, you need to promote. So first we need to choose specific services that we will use and that we will promote on YouTube to earn commission. So what you will do, you will go to your YouTube homepage, okay? So let's go to YouTube. So just go to your YouTube homepage like this. So first, why I choose YouTube? So did you know that YouTube has 33 billion monthly visitors? Google is number one and YouTube is number two in the world, okay? It's number two search engine in the world, okay? Millions of people every single day are using YouTube to search for services, products, specific topics, okay? That's why, and I know that I'm following a lot of people on YouTube that are making millions from affiliate marketing using YouTube every single month, okay? They are using YouTube to promote affiliate links for free, okay? So what you will do, like I said, go to your YouTube homepage, click on the search, ask question. So for example, I will ask how to create, how to create TikTok, okay? How to create TikTok, how to create viral, okay? How to create viral TikTok, and YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. How to create viral TikTok videos, how to create viral TikTok ads, how to create viral TikTok account. So for example, let's take this topic. People who are searching for how to create viral TikTok ads, those people want to make videos for businesses. So those people will be interested to invest money and buy this service from your affiliate link. So what you will do, how to create viral TikTok ads. I will go to my Fiverr homepage. I will click on the search and I will search for viral TikTok video ads, okay? And here you go. You will find a lot of people here on Fiverr who are providing this service for this service on Fiverr, okay? So those people who are searching for how to create viral TikTok ads on YouTube, they will be interested to buy this service. A lot of people will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link, okay? So what you will do next, You need to choose a good seller. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose for example, so I will choose for example this one. This one is really looking good. Okay, this one is level 1 seller. He has almost 5 star, a lot of reviews. I will create viral TikTok dropshipping video ads. Looking good. I will click on his service. Just click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. Copy his profile link. So just copy his profile link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools. Click on default and deep links and click over here and put this seller profile link here. Okay, click over here again and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, what you need to do, you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Okay, so but before we do that, let's go back to this seller profile page. Go back to this seller profile page, click on his video. So double click on the video and click on save video. Okay, save this video to your laptop. Okay, so we will use this video, TikTok ads. We will use this video to promote our affiliate links on YouTube. Okay, after you upload this video to your YouTube, to your laptop, go back, go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one and it's for free. So just click on video and you will be directly in this page. Click on upload file and upload your video. Okay, upload your video to Canva. Click on your video and your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points, click on set video as background, click on text, scroll down, choose which style of text you want to use. I will use this one. I will delete this part and I will make it like this. Double click and write this sentence: check link in description. Okay, check link in description. People who will watch your video on YouTube, they will see this check link in description. They will check your YouTube description and you will put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. It's super easy. After you finish, click on element, click on shape and put this shape like this. Okay, for you. So to make this title looking good, I will change the color like this. Check link in description. It's looking good. Okay, and here you go. After you finish, click on share, click on download. So before you click, so remove the background music. So just remove the background music so you will not get any copyright issue on YouTube. Okay, so put this video just like this. It's just like this, it's enough. Okay, good. Click on share, click on download this video to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel and upload this video to your YouTube channel and put this keyword in your YouTube title: how to create viral TikTok ads. Okay, just copy and paste this title and use this title in your YouTube title. Okay, in your YouTube description, put your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. So that's how you can promote affiliate links on your in YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and if you are new and you don't know how you can promote affiliate links on YouTube, how you can put affiliate links in your YouTube description, check my YouTube description below. I will leave a link of my YouTube video showing you step by step how you can put your affiliate links in your YouTube description. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.